Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular tutorial I'll be teaching you guys the fastest trick, the fastest way you can grow your YouTube channel. This is something I discovered recently and I'm surprised at how much I've been able to grow my YouTube channel with this. So without wasting much of your time, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can learn everything you need to know. Now let me open my YouTube Analytics Studio. If I open my YouTube Studio, I'm going to just show you my channel. This is my channel, Full Tricks and Tweaks. And from my analytics, let me come to my analytics. Right from my analytics, you can see that in the last 48 hours I've been able to get over 3,124 views, and this is not how it used to be. Then I have my impression in the last 28 days has been 68,769. that is massive, and my click-through rate is 8.8%. the engagement, audience, look at my audience, the age bracket, and majority of my audience have come from the United States, India, Nigeria, United Kingdom, and Philippines. Now the thing is, my channel is a relatively new channel, but I'm going to be showing you guys something I did that changed the game, and a lot of people don't know this. Now if you look at my channel, majority of the videos that have the highest views, this is 1.4 videos, 1.4k views. I'm going to show you guys, just make sure you are patient. This one has 1.4k views. How I turned 10,000, so this has 608 views in the last 48 hours, actually in the last 48 hours. So these are other videos that I have here, but I'm going to show you what I am doing differently. So straight to it, if I click on videos, right, you will realize that I have some videos that are, let me sort by most viewed. I have some videos that are doing massive numbers, and I have the ones that are struggling. Now you see this video, I posted them in 6 months ago, 9.3k views, 2.7k views 3 days ago. What's the difference between a video I posted 6 months ago that gathered 9.3 thousand views and a video that I posted 3 days ago that has 2.7 thousand views, almost 3,000 views? The difference is very simple. This video, you can notice, is a short video, 31 seconds, and this other video is a 9 minutes video. Now when you post short videos, your short videos would show on what we call YouTube beta, YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is like short video screen for YouTube, where people just see short videos like the way you see it on TikTok and they start moving. So that way it is easy for people to see your video. It has more reach, more clicks, and it will automatically increase your subscribers. Majority of the videos I have that are doing numbers now, majority of them are short videos. Look at this one, 0.22 seconds. This is a short video. This is 0.31 seconds. And if you notice these videos, I just started doing this recently. This is 0.23 seconds and it's 1 week ago. 515 views, 18 seconds. The videos that are short videos are doing way more than the videos, are performing way better than the videos that are full videos. Now let me show you guys something, right? If I move to this place and I go to my YouTube channel, right now, if I come to this YouTube channel home, I'm going to show you where short videos appear. Look at it. You see videos like this are examples of videos. Okay, it's easy for them to get more views. 148,000 views. So when you post short videos, you appear like this, and you'll be getting more subscribers because the subscribe button play against Luka Modric in that. A lot of people will reach, a lot of people subscribe to your channel. So let me show you how this has affected my subscribers. Now for a while now, I've been struggling to gain more subscribers on my channel, but then let me show you something. From my analytics, right, I will show you the number of subscribers I have gotten so far. Give me a second, please. Look at my subscribers. In the last 28 days, I've gotten 124 subscribers, and the 124 subscribers, majority of them, let me show you the last 7 days. If I have 124 subscribers, I have 27 subscribers in the last 7 days, and in total I have 124 subscribers. Most of these subscribers, majority of them came from short videos. So this is one of the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel, using YouTube short videos. If you find this content very helpful, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this on cryptocurrency, YouTube algorithm, how to create content on your phone and stuff, you'll be among the first to see it. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now, and I love you guys.